Today's episode of YYE is extra sweet, pun intended, because we're here to talk to Suzanne Cooper, owner of the Cupcake Shop, and I'm going to try and get through this interview without gaining 5 pounds. Suzanne, thank you very much for doing this and being a part of the video series. I'm super excited to be here because I have a giant sweet tooth, so I'm in my happy place right now.
Perfect.
So let's start off by having you tell us about Cupcake Shop.
The Cupcake Shop was created in 2003. It was the first nut-free cupcake shop in Canada.
Wow.
And it was the second cupcake shop in Canada and first in Ontario.
How long have you been here at Yonge and Eglinton?
Since we opened, so since 2003.
Okay,
Yeah.
good for you. So you've been a part of the neighborhood for a long time.
We have, when we opened, it was like all mom and pop shops. We were on Yonge Street. We had one fridge, one oven, and just like a small little area to bake. When we started to get really busy, we found this place, we opened it up, and this was completely just the bakery. In 2017, we merged together. We're proud to be a family-owned business. It's myself and my 3 children. They help me come up with new flavors as well. They're always giving me insight. They sometimes do my Instagram. I'm not that technical. So they bring their youth into the shop to keep it going and to keep it trendy. And I love that. They all have their own separate jobs, but they're all bring their insight and they're all very helpful with my store.
Now, you have a multitude of flavors. Tell me about some of them and also about some of the fun creative names you have for some of the cupcakes.
Our flavors are always chosen by our staff, and so are the names. And they're made to, like when somebody places their order and they're calling out the cupcakes, just to put a smile on their face by calling out fun names such as Yonge and Eligible. Yonge and Eligible is like Yonge and Eglinton, but people never get it right and they always call it, can I have a Yonge and Eglinton?
Sure.
Then we have Opposites Attract and Frost Me and Red Velvet. Well, that's a normal name. We found that in LA, like before Red Velvet even came to Toronto. So we were the first ones to even bring Red Velvet in.
Oh, cool.
I was actually with my daughter and we tried it and she just insisted we have it. And that became our biggest seller.
And what is your favorite? So Suzanne Cooper, if you could have one cupcake for the rest of your life.
Mine is our key lime pie.
Oh, really?
I love it because
Okay.
I love coconut and I love lime. So it's like a margarita mixed with coconut and on a graham flavor cake, and it's all filled, and it's like my favorite.
You've been at Yonge and Eglinton for 16 years. What kind of changes have you seen it go through and its kind of evolution?
Wow, it's been a long 16 years, and it's been amazing because when we started, it was all very young and hip, and it was young and eligible. And now it's really turned into a lot of families and family oriented. Now all the young and eligible have gotten married, they have kids, they come in with strollers. It's very young, it's very trendy and fun, and it has changed from that.
Suzanne, last question. Is there anything about your business that you wanted to share that we haven't had a chance to talk about yet?
Sure. I just want everyone to know that even though it's called the Cupcake Shop, we have so many other products. We have birthday cakes, we do customized cupcakes, we do wedding cakes, we do wedding tiers, we do mini cupcakes, we do cake pops, we do cookie sandwiches, we do ice cream sandwiches, and we cater to anything that anyone else wants because we're nut-free. And we also do gluten-free and vegan for other allergy needs on top of being nut-free.
Suzanne, I want to thank you again for your time. So nut-free products and so much more than cupcakes, cakes and ice cream sandwiches and cake pops and all that good stuff. Tell everybody where they can find all those good things.
We are just north of Eglinton on the east side of Yonge. We're just down the little walkway. You'll see our sign. We always have a sidewalk sign right out for everyone to see. And then when you walk down the walkway, you'll see us. We're available 6 days a week, 7 days a week to pick up product.
Thank you, Suzanne.
Thank you.